In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview board templates in Trello. If you're new to Trello or just looking for ways to streamline your workflow, templates can be a game changer. They're pre-designed boards that help you organize projects, tasks, or events more efficiently. Whether you're planning content, managing a team, or coordinating an event, Trello's template gallery offers a variety of options to fit your needs. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find, preview, and evaluate these templates, so you can get started with the board that's just right for you. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.trello.com once the page loads. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. From here, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your email address or choose a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft if that's more convenient for you. If prompted, type in your password and then click Login to continue. After successfully signing in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. Now, to access the template gallery, direct your attention to the left sidebar, locate and click on the Templates option. If the sidebar is collapsed and you can't see the full menu, make sure to expand it so you can see all the options clearly. Once you're in the Templates section, you can start exploring. The gallery is filled with ready-made boards designed for various purposes. If you have something specific in mind, use the search bar at the top of the page. Here you can type in keywords like content calendar or event planning to filter the templates and find something relevant to your project. Additionally, you can browse templates by category, use the drop-down menu or the filters on the left side to narrow down your options. For example, you can explore categories like design, education, or business to find templates tailored to those areas. When you find a template card that catches your eye, click on it to open its dedicated page. This will take you to an overview of the template, where you can learn more about its purpose and how it's organized. Scroll through the page to review this information in detail. You'll find descriptions that explain what the template is designed for and how you can use it effectively. For a closer look, check out the live preview of the board. This feature allows you to examine the template's layout, including its lists, sample cards, labels, and any built-in checklists. Take your time to explore the structure and details of the board. This step is important to assess whether the template matches your workflow and specific needs. And that's it. Now you know how to preview board templates in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.